Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account linked to AdSense so you can access payments immediately. Once signed in, open Payments and go to Manage Payment Methods. This is where bank options live. Make sure you have your bank account number, routing number or IBAN, the bank SWIFT if international, and the exact bank name and address. Doing this now saves back and forth delays when you add or verify a new account. Proceed to add a new payment method when ready. You click Add Payment Method and carefully enter the bank name, account number, routing or IBAN, and SWIFT. Double-check every digit because a typo blocks payouts. Once entered, pick the payout currency and set this account as primary if you want future payments sent here. Google will either attempt instant verification or send microdeposits. If you get microdeposits, check your statement for 2 small amounts, then return to payments and enter those exact values to verify the account. You finalize by setting the verified bank account as primary so future earnings route correctly, and remove the old account if you no longer use it. Make sure to allow processing time. Changes may affect the next payment cycle and can take 1 to 2 cycles for payouts to reflect. If verification fails, recheck the account and routing numbers, confirm your bank accepts ACH or international transfers, and retry microdeposits. If problems persist, contact your bank and then Google Payments support for additional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.